Nobody ugly.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Blessed Look, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. And if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what's the next thing y'all want me to do. Yes, talk to me. But anywho, today I'm going to show you guys how I did this quick weave bob, and I will also show you guys how I cut and style the hair as well. So you pretty much get a 3-in-1 package hairstyle. But yeah, let's get to it, okay y'all? Alright, you already know it's gonna be a quick weave, so her hair is going to be under a stocking cap, so you always want to make sure you oil your scalp or your client, so while it's under the cap it will definitely be moisturized. So after I put the cap down, I am going to sew in all around the hair, the sides, the back, just so it don't slide up or anything while I'm gluing down the hair. My son want to be on my YouTube so bad. Look, just waving. Y'all better say hi back. Took her off. The blow dryer is completely dry. The hair that we are using today is Premium 2. Yeah, Premium 2. And we're using a 12-inch and a 10-inch. I'm going to start with the 12-inch because she do want one side longer. So I want to make sure that the bottom is longer, and then the 10-inch will just fall into place. So yes, just watch me slay, you guys. So right here, I'm just creating my bangs. As you can see, I kind of start from the front and then go all the way around. So now that I have hot combed her hair, I'm gonna create a nice crispy part, and then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron her hair. The hot comb before the flat iron does the trick every time. Every time. It just laid the hair nicely. Now I'm gonna use my guide in the back to go all across. Then when I reach towards her ear on the other side, I'm going to tilt my finger down and tilt my shears down as well, so that way I can create some horizontal lines. So it's not going like a blunt cut. It will be a horizontal shape on the other side, because the other side, she want it to be longer than the, you know, the other side. So one side short, the other side long. Y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all gonna see it when it's done. Just know, don't hold your finger straight if you want the other side to be tilted. So you gotta tilt down and cut down. Yup. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I feel myself too much.
Girl, you got to. You gotta slay it. Man, I'm gonna hype my clients up every time. I'ma hype their ass up every goddamn time. You're beautiful, and you should feel this way once you're sitting down on my chair. And that's so period. You feel me? If you don't hype your work up, nobody else gonna do it. So you gotta hype yourself up. Everything you do, like you gotta be like, yes, I slay this, I slay that. So your client will keep that same attitude because they see that you're proud of what you're doing. But if you're not proud, you're like, you like it, then they're gonna think it's not cute. You feel me? But like if when they're done, you're like, oh my God, yes, it's beautiful. And they're gonna feel this way. They're gonna be hyped up. Like, you gotta be like, yes, girl, turn around, swing it. Period. I am using the Gummy hair gel to do her baby hair, to lay down her baby hair. I just put a small amount and then I just smooth it out with my ragtail comb, and then I'll blow dry it and spray it. Pretty much that's it. A little bit lighter than the weave, so I'm taking my black spray and I just want to spray it on the hair, and then I'm going to comb it through so that way it can blend in. And I'm going to do that on both sides because it looks like her hair was really showing, so we just want to cover that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and get her part cleaned up with the black spray. You guys, this is the end of the video. I'm just making sure her part is crispy right here. I feel like I should have sprayed more black spray towards her hair because I could still see some brownness, but however, we'll learn from our mistakes. Overall, I love the hairstyle. She loved it, but in the future, if your client hair is a little bit lighter than the weave, just make sure you spray all around it and spray it good, because I'm hurt because I could see her hair. But Okay, thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all never miss nothing that I post here because we be late here.
Bye.
Hey. Bye, y'all.
He dey call me. Him no know wetin I do, and make him mad over me. Fine girls them plenty, but he leave them and he chose me. Him say I see me, no other girl fit overthrow me. I no go do you to us, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we na rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give